A good business idea is like an itch. You just got to scratch it. Why should you listen to me? There are hundreds and thousands of YouTube videos sharing their opinions. Let me tell you why. I started my first business when I was 13. Just 13, guys. I didn't have a rupee in my pocket. I was just a boy from Sri Lanka who managed to establish this little empire in London, one of the greatest cities in the world. How did I do it? How did I convert my business idea into action, into reality? Let me explain it. Hello my fellow entrepreneurs, welcome to my second YouTube video on this channel. I'm going to give you today 8 simple steps on how to convert your business idea into action, into reality. Step number 1, justify the idea with yourself. Are you ready to take this challenge? Are you ready to give 100% of your time and effort to make it happen? If you're ready, great. Let's move to the second stage. Step number 2. Is this your passion? Are you passionate enough to take this project forward? Are you ready to invest your time to learn new skills aside the job you have in hand? If yes, let's move to step number 3. Step number 3. Conduct the market research to collect more information about, to understand existing similar businesses. What is the potential in the market for your business idea? Collect more information to identify existing threats, opportunities, strengths and weaknesses. This information will help you to drive forward with positive mind, with more motivation. If you are happy, you got all the information you need, you're ready to move to the next stage, let's do it. Step number 4. Identify the resources you need, from skills to stationaries, equipment, computers, warehousing, vehicles, whatever you need, list them out. If you got the list prepared, identify the minimum investment required to execute this project. If you have got the minimum investment required, move on to the next stage. And if you don't have the minimum investment, you don't know how to organize the funds you need, stay tuned and watch my next video on how to organize the funds you need to execute your new project. Stage 6. Register your business name and the trademark. If you don't know how to do it, speak to your accountant, your solicitor, friend who has done it before, or simply Google it. Depending on where you live, there will be different options to get this done. Move to the next stage. Stage number 7. Stage number 7. Now you got everything ready, you got the funds you need, and you need a bank account to operate your business. How do you open a bank account? There are so many different ways. So I'll give you number 1. Go to the bank, speak to the bank manager, or speak to a person who is in charge of opening bank accounts. Explain what you are going to do. If you have a business plan in place, take it with you. Or you know about your business than anybody else, what you're going to do. Explain your project, what you're going to do. Accordingly, bank manager or the person who is in charge will open a bank account to facilitate your operation accordingly. Once you open the bank account, you're ready to move to the next stage, which is the last stage to execute your business idea into action. Step number 8. You have reached the last step to execute your business idea. You got your business research done, you got all the resources you need, you got the funds you need. Now you have to execute your business idea into action. How do you do it? List down step-by-step guidelines what you should do. You have to rent a vehicle, you have to rent a building, warehouse, you need an office, whatever it is. Step by step what you are going to do. This guide might include the location, branding, product positioning, pricing, whatever it is. You have to list them down before you execute your plan. Think about our lives 10 years ago and today. Facebook, Instagram, Google, Amazon have changed our lives. Imagine These things were somebody's idea many years ago. They worked so hard to execute their idea and change the world today. Who says that can't be you? Your idea today, what you do today, could change the world tomorrow. Once we were told by Professor Steve Mostyn from Oxford University, for you to be a leader, you need to be visible. To be visible, you need to be vulnerable. So take your step forward today. Don't have fear. Don't be scared. Don't let anyone pull you back. Guys, if you think this video is useful, like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.